Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram profile. Here's how to do it. Open your Instagram app, click on profile at the bottom right corner, and here on your profile you're going to see where it says add banners. Click on it. To add to your profile, you have your Facebook, your WhatsApp and music. Click on music. And here you have to search for your favorite music. Let me say, for example, I want to use Breathe. Click on it.
Take another step, rewind.
Click on the arrow icon at the bottom right corner.
Take another step, rewind.
From here, you can adjust the length if you want. When you find the sweet spot, the place where you like, click on Done. Now go back. You can now see the music on your profile.
You can let the voices win.
So that's how you add a music to your Instagram profile. That's all for this video.